All right, here we've got the Benson delay. This is my 59 Vintage Select White Falcon. Just running in to the delay straight into my 66 basement cabinet into an attenuator, obviously because I'm sitting right in front of it, and into the Mesa 112 cab with the black shadow. And I guess let's get into it. You've got five controls right here. So you've got your regular, you've got your mix, which is, how much you want to hear. So like if you turn it all the way down, it's dry. If you turn it all the way up, it's only delay. I've got it set to a slapback, which is basically I use a slapback all the time, but it's not like I get real like crazy long trails or anything. You've got your time, which is, how quick your delay is if you turn that all the way down. It sounds like it reminds me of one of those the door stoppers on the other side of the door that when you flick it. And you can turn it all the way up to let me turn that down. We'll get to that later. You hit a note and go out, have a cup of coffee, and come back, and maybe it's ready. Then you've got your feedback right here. Your feedback is how many times it repeats if you turn it all the way down. Instant. Turn it all the way up. Get some weird noises out of it. Nobody's using the trill that long anyway. Then over here is one of the reasons why I actually bought this pedal. It has a LFO is what they call it, but it's really, it just sounds like a tape delay that's wore out. So if you turn your speed up, it makes it warble quicker. Get a little bit more here. If you turn the depth up, then it really starts to knock it out of tune, like that. Get all that. So you hit it like this. Here it starts to knock itself out of tune. So I always have, you can turn that off, but I always have that on just a little bit to give it just a little bit of depth. I don't really put it about right here. Get your slap back set up. Like that. And then another thing, it has a tap tempo, and then it has a hold, and it will oscillate. So like such tap tempo, want something David Gilmour and slow. Slower. Let's do slower. I can set it real fast. weird shit like that. Or if you tap it once and then hold it, it'll engage the oscillation. And then as soon as you let go, it goes away. That comes in handy because in my band, there's no silence when we play. There's no silence in between songs. So we use a rolling sample pad for interludes and then something like this. So I can hold this down and you hit your big last note. Then the next song starts over it. And then like that. It's a pretty interesting pedal. One of the reasons why I got rid of my other delay, which was a Nocturne Mystery Brain, which I really liked, was this had the oscillation. That one had the warble here too, and it was just as convincing, but I wanted the oscillation. And you can set it slow. And this isn't a sponsored video or anything. I paid for this with my own money, and these are all my opinions, my scatterbrained opinions. I just think it's a really great delay. I have another Benson pedal on my board. I have their preamp. I think they make really great stuff. It gets to the point. There's not a lot of shit on there that you don't need, that nobody would use. It's, if you want a delay, you got a delay. And it's tape delay, so you got the modulation. That's really all I've got to say about the Benson delay. I think it's worth the money. It's a little high compared to like a Boss delay, that's like $100 or $150 or whatever they are now. But this one's like $290 or something. But it's worth it because of the modulation and the oscillation. And if you liked what I had to say or understood any of it, like and subscribe and share, and leave your comments in the below. Leave your comments below about what delay you like to use, or tell me to go to hell, or if you don't like this pedal or whatever. But y'all take care.